number one reason students don't get their TOEFL reading dream scores is that they don't have strategy memorized well enough. This comes from my 20 years experience helping students succeed on the TOEFL. Now, if you want to discover if you have strategy memorized well enough, follow along in this short clip of a tutoring session with an amazing, intelligent student that'll give you a perfect view of whether you have this issue or not.
Tell me, what is the strategy for answering detail questions?
I try to understand more than I try to not go through the lines. I try to understand each sentence, I would say. And
Good.
sometimes, yeah.
Now, when I hear that, I hear a little like X. So just think as a dentist, sometimes when someone tells you their symptoms,
Mhm.
they can be very obvious, right? They're not kind of unique or, I wonder what this person has. It's like, oh, that's very clearly a cavity. So when I heard you, I want you to think it's actually so awesome that it's clear. The questions you had trouble with, you couldn't repeat strategy through memorization clearly. So it's like cooking a dish and you haven't memorized the recipe. It's going to be hard. One day it's good, one day it's bad. So I want you to read this strategy for me out loud. So this is the strategy for detail and inference.
Mhm.
Go ahead and read it for me, please.
Sure. Read the question carefully to memorize it, identify its meaning and keywords. Read the reading for the answer, searching for your keywords at normal speed. Read the sentences with important keywords at careful speed. Rephrase the answer in your head using the author's word. Identify the words in the reading that answer the question. Okay, next, read each answer choice carefully and choose with the yes, no, maybe technique. Repeat the cycle as necessary and as trained.
So my goal after today's tutoring,
Yeah.
I'm going to memorize, at least for detail, inference, plugin, and summary, I'm going to memorize those 100%. Again, it'll take you 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours.
Now you know where you stand and what to do to make sure you get your TOEFL reading dream score. Now, if you want all of our strategies for the reading, as well as the listening, speaking, and writing, over 150 hours of recordings where I guide you through every part of the exam, custom AI tutors for the writing with infinite practice and immediate feedback, and just like she had, tutoring with me whenever you need help or are struggling, join our revolutionary course, TOEFL Max. You can learn more about it and join now by clicking the link in the description or in the comments.